It's more than a talk. It's like a. It's like
Guys.
Yeah, more than a talk. It's like a question. It's something like that I couldn't explain. So, I really appreciate some help from other people. So have a look at the code. It's nothing very difficult. I don't know how many people use class variables. It's a very bad idea, but I was trying to figure out how it works. And so yeah, this is what the code does. I've got a module. It has got a class variable, and it's setting an instance variable on the class on the module, right? And then you got like two accessors, basically two methods. Get class variable and get instance variable for the class. So nothing much. And then in class A you just extend that module. So that's the module. In class A you extend the module, and then you reset the class variable again. Okay. So in there that was 3. In here that was 1. Okay. Right. And then you reset the instance variable of the class again to 2. In here that was 4, in here it's 2, right? And then you write a bunch of class methods to print them, right? So these methods, although they are printing the same kind of stuff, but I've just named them different to show the difference, okay? And then there's another class, B, which is inheriting from A. For now this thing is commented out. Then we reset the class variable again, and reset the instance variable of the class again. And there are two other methods which print the class variable of the module and the instance class variable of the module. Right? Pretty straightforward. And then we just print the values. Okay? Let's see how they go.
Just type it.
Too lazy, I guess. So when it runs for the first time, prints the class variable of A. So let's look at what A get class var does. A get class var is basically printing stuff from the module, right? And then in one class you are extending the module. In another class you are including the module. The include is not yet done. So. And in this case, we just include it, right? So that is the only change that I made, and I'll rerun it. Look at what happened now. So class variable of A remains 1. It did not get changed. In here, it got changed, right? Instance variable of A has got the same output, right? Class variable of the module got changed to 2 after inclusion, and class instance variable of the module remains the same, right? Stuff from B, class variable of B got changed to 1 because I have no idea why. Absolutely no idea why. Why this got redefined. This is explainable because it's a class instance variable, and that was actually redefined by me to 1. So that is explainable. Class variable of the module, which is this, got changed to 2. And the instance variable got changed to 1, which is explainable because you have redefined the class instance variable in B. Right? And actually, if you look at the singleton values of the module itself, they got changed as well. The singleton's value got changed to 2 after you did an include. So this is something that I couldn't explain. I really don't know what went wrong after inclusion of the module. Any feedback from anybody is really welcome. Do you think it's because it falls back to its superclass? No, because if you include the module, it's basically pushing in a pseudo class in between B and A. That's why it replicates the behavior that was happening with A in here. But I do not know. I don't know for sure. I'll share this code on GitHub. If anyone finds an answer, do let me know.
Can you post a link to the gist?
Yeah, I'll share it.
Post the link. Do you have?
I'll share the gist. I'll share it.
Gusto ni Brian, ngayon agad.
Tama na yan, inuman na.
Sino ba pinunta mo?
Here's the quirkiest part. Oh, okay. This is something that I messed up. Here's the quirkiest part. So now I define a class variable at the topmost level, outside the scope of these classes, right? And then I'm just printing it here. Look at what I defined it as here, 9. It's outside the scope of everything else. It's not inherited. It belongs to the kernel, right? And look at this. When it runs, it prints a value of 1. So you get the problem? Okay, this is like totally unexplainable behavior. Doesn't make any sense to me. Maybe.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
That one will be 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it got changed to obviously like A. So initially that was 1. So that's why this was printing 1. But now it's still including the module B. And like the class pair of A is 10, the class pair of B is 10, whereas after inclusion of the module before it got changed to 2.
If I try something.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Everyone should just use that.
Class. Sige.
So,
Main
if I
dapat
write the should both be the same.
siya.
Oh no, it's not. Okay.
That name.
Yeah, but I'll
It
share
should be
this
the
gist.
main class.
Name? Like that?
Ayan ba? Alam ko wala eh. Ayan eh.
Same thing should
Should be
be.
the name. Same.
The scope is really
Kailangan lang ng konting beer niyan. You need more beer, man.
I can start explaining anything and everything.
Oh, now it makes sense.
I don't know, I think it's right. It's right. Kasi once you include X,
Yeah, like
this is 4. I should be 1, sorry.
What's that? Anything to change?
So that means this is wrong. This is supposed to be 1. No? But it looks like this.
you guys are looking
didn't
at
run, no?
modified code right now. He has changed some stuff.
No, just Pretty much the only thing that changed is test 9 and 1 became 10. So
Okay.
I think we have right to 1 to 10.
Hindi siya na-modify na in-include siya.
I'll share the gist. I'll share the problem.
How were you able to encounter
Like I said, I do all sorts of stupid stuff.
So what's the question again? Why is it changing when you...
What is the scope of the class variable? That is the question. How does it actually get set?
Don't include a module that you extended already. You already extended the module. You're going to include it again? What the hell? Include it in a subclass? My God. And let's go.
after party?
Woo!